Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and software so HDR works reliably. First, confirm your monitor or TV actually supports HDR and is connected with HDMI 2, 0 plus or DisplayPort 1, 4 plus. Then, make sure you have the latest GPU drivers and Windows updates installed. Outdated drivers cause color and brightness problems. Once done, open Settings, go to System, then Display. You'll see the HDR toggle. Enable it to let Windows detect and apply HDR color profiles and brightness controls automatically. Once HDR is enabled, you need to tune how Windows and apps handle content. Enable HDR and wide color gamut toggles, then review HDR streaming and SDR content sliders to set a balanced brightness for non-HDR apps. Use the built-in Windows HDR video calibration tool and select the correct HDR color profile for your display to avoid oversaturation. Also, remember to adjust brightness separately for SDR apps and check in-game HDR settings. Many titles include their own tone mapping controls you should match to system. To finish, test HDR with a known HDR video and an HDR-capable app so you can compare SDR versus HDR output and verify improvements in color and contrast. If colors look off or blacks are crushed, rerun the HDR calibration, update GPU drivers, and try a different qualified cable. Many issues trace back to bandwidth or driver mismatches. Finally, set demanding apps to high performance in Windows graphics settings to ensure the dedicated GPU drives HDR consistently and reduce flicker or brightness drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.